Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to paint this beautiful painting. So let's get started. So here is my primed canvas. If you want to know how I prep my canvas, do let me know in the comment section. So I'm starting off with this deep blue at the top of the canvas, and I'm going to add an orange shade at the bottom to create a nice sunset background. I made this blue shade by mixing titanium white and with yellow blue, and for the orange one I mix red and a little bit of yellow shade. Try to work a little fast here because blending always works best when the paint is still wet. So here is a quick tip for blending two colors. So when you are merging two colors, what you need to do is first start with a little damp brush and then use a dry brush over the area to make a smooth transition between the colors. Next, I'm going to add some stars by gently flecking white paint across the sky. Here I am using fan brush, but you can use any regular brush or even toothbrush to make stars. Just make sure that drops are tiny so they look like stars. When the background is completely dry to touch, we will move on to the mosque silhouette. Begin by slightly sketching the mosque shape. You can use a pencil, chalk or anything that shows up on your canvas. Here I am using white pencils so the lines are easy to see. So our sketch is almost ready. Now I'm going to fill the mosque sketch with solid black paint using a medium brush. Be careful for the edges. I'm taking my time here to get a smooth and clean coverage. Carefully go around the edges to make the lines sharp and crisp. Once the silhouette is complete, it's time for the calligraphy. I already sketched my design earlier using a white pencil, so now I am just going over it with white paint. I placed the Arabic word at the top so it really stands out against the dark background and becomes the main focus of the painting. all for today. I really hope you like it. If you do, please like the video and leave a small encouraging comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.